It was a bright, sunny morning as Mia walked to her college for the last time. She felt a mix of excitement and sadness. Today was the last day of her college life. In her favorite classroom, she met her friends, Jake, Sara, and Liam. They talked about their memories, late-night study sessions, funny moments in class, and the many adventures they had together. Everyone shared their hopes for the future and what they would miss the most. After class, they took photos together, capturing smiles and laughter. Mia felt grateful for the friendships they had formed. They promised to stay in touch and visit each other. As the day ended, Mia reflected on her journey. College had taught her not just about books, but about life, friendship, and dreams. Walking out of the college gates, she felt ready for the next chapter, excited for what lay ahead. It was a bittersweet goodbye, but Mia knew that the memories would stay with her forever. As Mia walked away from the campus, she felt a sense of closure. Each step reminded her of all the challenges she had faced and overcome. She remembered her first day, feeling nervous and unsure, and how far she had come since then. That evening, the friends gathered at their favorite cafe. They ordered coffee and shared stories, reminiscing about the times they had spent together. Jake joked about the time they had all gotten lost on a group project, while Sara recalled the fun of cramming for exams. Laughter filled the air, making the moment feel special. As the sun set, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink, they made a pact: every year, they would meet on this day to celebrate their friendship. Mia felt a warmth in her heart. She realized that while college was ending, their bond would continue. Later that night, Mia returned home, reflecting on her journey. She opened her laptop and began to write. She wrote about her experiences, her dreams, and her friends. It was her way of holding on to the memories, a promise to herself that she would never forget. The last day of college marked the end of one chapter, but for Mia, it was also the beginning of another. With hope in her heart, she looked forward to the future, ready to embrace new adventures and challenges. The next few weeks were filled with change. Mia spent time applying for jobs and exploring her interests. She felt nervous but excited about what was to come. Each day, she took small steps toward her future, updating her resume and preparing for interviews. One afternoon, she received an email inviting her for an interview at a marketing firm. Heart racing, she prepared thoroughly. With the support of her friends, she practiced her answers and even created a portfolio showcasing her college projects. On the day of the interview, Mia wore her best outfit and took a deep breath before entering the building. The interview went well. She felt confident and inspired by the team she met. A few days later, she received the call: she got the job. Celebrating with her friends at their favorite cafe, they toasted to new beginnings. They shared dreams and aspirations, and Mia realized how much she valued their support. As the months passed, Mia adapted to her new job. It was challenging but exciting. She met new people and learned new skills, applying everything she had gained in college. Each day, she felt her confidence grow. Despite the busy schedule, Mia made sure to stay connected with her friends. They planned monthly meetups, reminiscing about college while sharing updates on their lives. One evening, as they gathered for dinner, Mia reflected on how much had changed. She was grateful for her college experience, but she was also thrilled about the future. With her friends by her side, she felt ready to face whatever came next, knowing they would always support each other through every new adventure. In her heart, Mia understood that while college was a significant chapter, life was an ongoing story filled with endless possibilities. And she was excited to write the next part.